In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a browser game app in Lovable from prompts. Let's jump right in and get started. First, open Lovable in your browser. Once it loads, confirm that the Lovable dashboard shows the large prompt box right in the center of the page. Now look at the mode control near the prompt box and check that it says Build. If the mode control says Plan instead, click Plan near the prompt box to open the mode menu. Then click Build in the mode menu, so you're set to the correct mode before continuing. Now we'll generate the browser game from your first prompt. Click inside the main prompt box in the center of the Lovable dashboard. Type the first game building prompt into the box. Feel free to copy and paste the prompt directly from the pinned comment below this video, since it's quite detailed and contains everything Lovable needs to scaffold the project properly. Once your prompt is fully entered into the box, click Send Message on the right side of the prompt box. Lovable will now begin creating the project for you. Wait patiently until Lovable finishes building, and watch for the preview to appear on the right side of the editor. This part takes a few minutes, so we'll skip ahead. Now let's try the first playable preview. Click inside the game preview on the right side of the Lovable editor so it captures your input. Then click Start Game in the game preview to begin a round. Press the left arrow and the right arrow keys for a few seconds to see how the rocket moves horizontally across the screen. Next, press the up arrow and the down arrow keys for a few seconds to test vertical movement. While you're playing, watch the score, lives, and timer areas in the preview. Confirm that the game responds to your movement input and that the timer starts counting down as expected. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Next, we'll polish and verify the game with a second prompt. Click the chat box at the bottom left of the Lovable project editor. Type the polish and test prompt into the chat box. Again, feel free to copy and paste the prompt directly from the pinned comment, since the polish prompt contains specific testing instructions for Lovable to run. Once the prompt is in the chat box, click Send Message beside the chat box. Wait until Lovable finishes the update and reports that the game is ready or fixed. During this process, Lovable may ask for permission to run browser testing. If that happens, click Allow in the prompt or dialog to grant access. Then wait until the preview refreshes with the new build. This takes a few minutes, so we'll skip ahead. Now we'll play test the final browser game. Click inside the game preview on the right side of the Lovable editor to make sure it has keyboard focus. Click Start Game in the game preview to begin. Press the A key and the D key for a few seconds to move the rocket left and right with the new control scheme. Then press the W key and the S key for a few seconds to move the rocket up and down. Now steer the rocket into at least one star floating in the preview. Confirm that the score increases when you collect it. Next, move away from a comet to avoid losing a life and confirm that the lives counter remains visible on screen. Click Pause in the game controls to freeze the action. If the pause control changes to resume, click that same control again to continue. Finally, click Restart in the game controls. Confirm that the score and timer reset, ready for a new round. At this point, the Lovable preview should show a playable neon arcade game called Comet Catcher. The rocket moves smoothly with keyboard controls. The timer runs down as expected. Scoring works correctly when stars are collected. The lives counter stays visible, and the restart button kicks off a fresh new round. That's how you build a browser game app in Lovable using nothing but props.